Darth Vader's mom once said, if you don't take care of your things, you don't deserve to have them. I, for one, agree with that statement. I like to take my nice things and display them up high, outdoors, often in the rain. Look at the beautiful cinematic effect of this Funko Pop in the puddle. Ooh, eerily reflective, innocence lost. Ooh, so much artistic meaning. Ooh, value being taken back to the chaos of the swampland. It's still worth 2/3 of its original value, right? Oh my god, guys, check it out! It floats! Funko Pops float! And wherever you go, there you are. Now, once you have all of your expensive valuables out in the sun, it's important to get liches to, Skelly Beans, how you doing in there? You gotta get your liches to, watch everything to make sure evil spirits and pirates don't take your stuff. This guy's all magoosey. He's not happy. He's in timeout. He was supposed to guard the comic, and he didn't. It didn't work out, so now Jesus guards the comic. Jesus be all like, it's mine now. And I have a dog.